In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a password in OneNote. This process is essential for keeping your notes secure, especially if they contain sensitive information. Let's dive right in. First, open OneNote on your Windows device. You will see the familiar OneNote interface with your notebooks and sections displayed. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the entire process. Ensure that you are in the right notebook that contains the section you want to protect. Once you have OneNote open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, right-click the protected section whose password you want to change. As you hover over the section, a context menu will appear. This menu provides various options for managing your section. Selecting the right section is important because OneNote allows password protection only on individual sections and not on entire notebooks. This gives you control over which parts of your notes are secured. From there, select Password Protect this section from the context menu. This action brings up the password protection pane. You will see options related to password management for that particular section. It's important to access this pane to initiate the password change. This ensures that you are modifying the correct section settings. In the Password Protection pane, click Change Password. This option allows you to set a new password while keeping your notes secure. After clicking on this, a prompt will appear asking for your current password. This verification step is essential for security purposes. It ensures that only authorized users can change the password, maintaining the integrity of your notes. Now, enter your current password in the provided field. Take care to type it accurately, as this is a security measure. If you enter it incorrectly, you will not be able to proceed. This step is vital because it confirms your identity and ensures that only you can change the password for the protected section. Next, enter your new password in the next field. Choose a strong password that you can remember but others cannot easily guess. This is important because a strong password greatly enhances the security of your notes. After entering the new password, you will need to re-enter it. This confirmation step ensures that you didn't make a typo and are confident in your new password. After that, re-enter the new password to confirm it. This second entry acts as a safeguard against mistakes. It ensures that the password you choose is exactly what you intend it to be. Once you are satisfied, you can move on to finalize the change. Finally, click OK to complete the process. Once you do this, you will see a confirmation that your password has been changed. This not only confirms that your changes have been saved, but also reassures you that your section is now secure with the new password. Remember, OneNote cannot recover forgotten section passwords. If you forget the password, Microsoft cannot unlock the protected section for you. This emphasizes the importance of choosing a password that you can remember. Changing a password affects only the selected section. If you have multiple protected sections, you'll need to change each password individually. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock is off when entering or changing your password. This small detail can save you time and frustration later on, ensuring a smooth experience when accessing your notes. Thank you for watching. You now know how to change a password in OneNote.